But then, the final 3 months were perfect.
Alright.
3, 2, 1.
Oh! We're just gonna be standing here for like 1 hour. I'm bored!
Jans,
Yeah?
how are you feeling?
I'm feeling cold.
How long have you actually been waiting?
Like,
It's been 20 minutes.
yeah, and I'm so, I just wanted to end. We still have 30 more minutes to go. So.
But there's been people in Sydney waiting for around 15 to 16 hours.
I know, but we're just not one of them. We're very impatient. Alright. So, 3 more minutes to go. Why is it not focusing? Yep. 6, 5, favorite. We are doing the Bondi to Coogee walk today, and okay, look how busy the beach is. Just take a look. It's crazy. So gorgeous. But look at the view, guys. Bondi Beach, and now we arrived in the second beach, and it's called Habour Beach. Yeah, it's so cute. We're gonna keep on going though, so stay tuned. Alright, so we're like halfway there to the...
We're not halfway.
We are not? Are we not? Oh my god, okay.
Well, maybe under a quarter.
Okay, but we're getting there.
Let's come back around.
Wow, seagulls, so pretty. Oh, it's boiling hot, but we've just arrived at the third beach, the famous Bondi. So yeah, it's very hot. We're getting there. What? I need a break. Oh, view's so worth it though, right? water. Because stay hydrated, kids. What? There's so many cute dogs, like everywhere. Literally, I'll be happy the day when I get a dog.
Oh my god, that's so cute.
Yay. We're taking a little break. Whew. I am tired. Take a break.
Taking a break? Oh my god, look.
You look like a fly. Why?
You know,
Just because of my sunnies. Are you judging my sunnies right now?
I'm judging my head with your sunnies.
My sunnies are nice. If ever there's a problem, it's your face. Cute. Okay, so this is the fourth beach we're in. Started off in Bondi Beach, and then we arrived in, what is the next one? Tamarama, and then Bronte, and now we're in Clovelly Beach, and the next one should be Coogee. There are just so many beaches, I can't even recall them all, but yeah, this is quite a cute one. I feel like this is like a family beach or something. I see a lot of families here. So yeah, we're gonna keep on going soon. We've taken our break, so yeah, see you guys in Coogee. It's like 5 o'clock, so we gotta go. We gotta run. Gotta run, mate, gotta run. Can you hurry up, please? Please hurry up. You're walking very slow. Can't keep up with my speed, mate. Can't keep up. Wait, your back is so dirty. Oh my god, look at his back. Oh my god. Wow. Definitely just as busy. So many people. We made it. It took us around, I think, 2-3 hours in total. We like 10 minutes downstairs. We made it. So happy. Alright guys, so we're downstairs now waiting for some fries and milkshake. And yeah, I just thought I'd do an outro now for you guys. Thank you guys for watching another video, and Happy New Year.
Shit.
Our fries and milkshakes are here.
Sorry for swearing.
Thank you guys once again, and yeah, Happy New Year guys.